How to fix the issue of YouTube library option not showing. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly we need to make sure YouTube application is up to date. So go to Google Play Store, search for YouTube application. Now here if you see the option of update in the place of open, simply click on it and do update the application. After that, head toward the setting of YouTube app. Tap and hold on YouTube app and go to app info. Here firstly go to permissions and make sure all the vital permission for the YouTube application to run smoothly is allowed. After that, again in app info, you need to go to storage uses and clear the cache, as sometimes collected cache can also affect the performance of the application. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.